I want to give you a warm, heartfelt welcome and thank you from both Katrina and Japhet for being here today to witness a powerful moment, the union of these two couples.
Katrina Kirsten Erickson, I vow to celebrate every little good thing in our lives. I vow to hold you above whatever weird ambitions I may have, to choose you over the world. I vow to be a partner worthy of loving you every single day the way you deserve to be loved. So I give you my word, I will love you until the end of my days, not just in word, but in action, with Christ as my witness.
Japhet Kwame Debre, I vow to choose joy over anxiety. I vow to rest and honor the Sabbath with you. I vow to put you first every day, and when I fail, I vow to ask for humble forgiveness. I vow to trust God and trust you as his loved son. I vow to choose to love you every single day.
Japhet, desire to enter the covenant of marriage today, giving of yourself in every way with mutual love and respect? If so, say I do.
I do.
Do you, Katrina, desire to enter the covenant of marriage today, giving of yourself in every way with mutual love and respect? If so, say I do.
I do.
I now declare you husband and wife. Japhet, you may kiss your bride.
Fast forward a few days later, we are gathered here to witness the unity of two families, of two kindred spirits bound together by faith and love. Marriage is a game of magic, a game of consistency, a game of patience, and a game of special moments. Who perseveres despite the odds? Who will get you a late game winner after having a difficult season because he never stopped believing? And much like football, in the end, the most consistent team always wins. Thank you.
And so I want to toast you guys tonight to your marriage. May it be so vibrant and just a breath of fresh air in a world that really struggles to just celebrate difference in a way that's unifying. So here's to many sweet adventures together and with me, okay? The Japhet Katrina Debre.